So to start off, it's always good to have a concept. And in this case, I'll be sketching my own concept using Grease Pencil inside of Blender. To do this, I create a Grease Pencil object, then I create a material, a black stroke material, and I set the background to viewport, and then I change the color to something brighter. And in this case, I'll be concepting or sketching a sci-fi shotgun, and I'm inspired by 60s and 70s sci-fi movies. So what I normally do is I look at a lot of reference, and personally I prefer using Pinterest. Pinterest is a really great place to get inspired and to collect reference. I'm drawing straight lines here by holding down Alt while drawing. And then if you hold down Control, you can briefly switch to the eraser tool instead of pressing space and switching to the actual eraser tool.